Okay, so this is a P-trap. It's called a P-trap because this is resembling like a P shape. This is the long part of the P, and this is the curved part of the P. So usually a P-trap works by having this lower curve to trap the water here. So there's always water from this level to this level. So therefore, the smell from the sewer will not get to your equipment or your dishwasher, etc. That's really the singular purpose of a P-trap, is to block the smell from the sewer. But because of that, because of this curve, and if you have a lot of debris, it will trap debris and it will cause a clog. So we have a clog now, so we're gonna just unscrew this part. And the same here. Okay, and just put the top part of the screw away. There you go. And then this thing just gonna drop down just like that. And what you want to do is make sure that inside this P-trap is clear and it doesn't have any blockage. And once you do that, then you can put everything back just like that, and then just screw it on. Okay, stop the video.